Daddy! Bye! Hi! You guys ready? Excited! We're gonna go there tomorrow.
For each member of your party, guests in other boarding groups are kindly.
But the fun is just getting started. Oh, look at that! Oh, there's only one. No, not yet. Sleeping about that. Okay, this is our room. 6102. We are a DVC member and we get this for free. Awesome. Let's check our room, okay? See you again. Okay. Let's see a room tour. What? This is our room. We have a crib. Yes. One bed. I think this is queen size. And a sofa bed. Aten Noah and Allison's crib. We have the veranda. And we ordered water. We order water and then they are beer mug. Yes. Look! Kavita and Benalera party! Awesome! Turn on light, please. So, we have the closet. Pretty big closet. Wala pang luggage namin. And restroom. Oopsie! This is the toilet. Where's the bathtub? Just kidding. It's on the other side. Hiwalay.
Here are.
So there's two restrooms and
Here.
wait. Oh, cute. Yes. Yes. I know. And we can also ask this one to be put down. It's gonna be a bed. And veranda. Look. Wow. You're not gonna stand here, okay? Only sit. We're so excited. Wow. Noah, look at the aqueduct. That's amazing. We're gonna do that tomorrow night, I guess. Free soda. Hi. Oh, are we gonna go there? Nice. I know, that's so cute. This is the buffet area. You can also eat sa dining area if you want to sit down. So we're here sa Cabana Buffet restaurant or buffet area. Whoa. So cute. Look at that. Hummus. Oh, the salad area. Oh, JR is gonna be happy. There's a seafood area. Someone is happy.
We'll see you later.
Look at the dessert area. Drink area. Oh, okay.
Hi.
Getting salad. Look at their dessert. Cacao. What are you eating? Cake, Oreo cake, and Jello
With ice cream.
with ice cream. And I'm having cookie crumble, apple cookie crumble, and vanilla ice cream. Second plate.
What are you gonna do with that? I'm gonna take it to the name. What's the name? It's interesting. The seasons change all the time there. I'll get to apply my artistic